Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Ricky Cadden back again with another real life stock review for Real Life Trading Australia. Hope you guys have had an amazing week. It is Friday and I am going to review the Thursday session from the US, and I hope you guys have been doing absolutely amazing with this humongo jungo bearish move we've had. Absolutely incredible. A lot of money to be made. A lot of real life traders absolutely cashing in on this bearish move. Shout outs to my girl Angela making 5 Rs on Tesla just last night on a day trade. Well done. All right, let's dive in. SPY, not a whole lot happening, guys. We did get a fairly inside day. We really did need a rest after this move. You can see we do have a cute little doji candle, which is an inside day doji, right? So what does that mean? Okay, we can either break down or we can break bullish. So if you are looking to play this particular candle, I would have an entry above with a stop below, and then hopefully we get triggered on the bullish side. And if we break down, we'll have the same thing with an entry below and an entry above. So kind of just bracket this candle if you're looking to trade it. But personally, I do think that this is probably about to bottom out for the short term. I think we're going to start to bottom out here for the short term. If you take a look at the Fibonacci here, I'll just draw this for you. Sorry, not from there. We'll draw from the last wave down. You can see we have come down a bit. Where do I expect us to come up to? Is probably about the 382, which is the 261, and then I'd probably expect another rollover. If you take a look on the weekly chart, what that looks like, it's straight to the 200 simple moving average. We will find some resistance at that particular level, so just bear that in mind, guys. But this is just my overall plan on what I believe is going to happen on the SPY. Take a look at the E-minis. So the E-minis is looking a little bit more bullish. We have got two inside day candles currently. You can see we did get a bearish inside day candle yesterday, and we are currently getting a bullish inside day candle from today. So I do expect us to trade higher, and then like a nice little rollover would suffice. That would complete this five-wave Elliott wave move. Just makes a ton of sense, and then I think we start to bottom out on this one very, very soon. Take a look at the VIX. Now the VIX is still up there, guys. Most likely we'll start to. You can see we are finding a little bit of resistance up here at 84. So most likely we'll start to see a little bit more of a drop, then probably another little bit of a rise on that one. So volatility still in the markets, absolutely incredible. Let's take a look at Tesla. Now Tesla was a gap and go today, and we bounced off the 200 simple moving average. Wow, I mean, no one would have picked that at all. I was actually day trading this one. Take a look at the 5-minute. Actually, I was day trading this on the 1-minute chart. I did actually miss Tesla by minutes. Right here I did miss this move here. However, as soon as this consolidation came in, I was like, all right, well, I'm getting in bullish with a stop below here, and ended up capitalizing up here and taking my profits on that one. So it was a very nice day trade on Tesla. A lot of realized traders making some gainage on that one. Here's MU, another one that did take a nice little move last night on the Thursday session. You can see we had this nice little double bottom. A lot of people getting trapped here at the low of day, and then we just kind of, as soon as this volume started to pick up right there, that was when we started to cruise on higher. So MU on the daily though. On the daily, we are coming up into earnings. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens here. We do have somewhat of a Morningstar-esque pattern right here. So I guess we'll see. We'll wait and see. I do expect us probably to gap up, and however, if we do gap down, it will be quite interesting. Most likely it will be a fade opportunity to trade higher, but if we gap up, we'll see. It may also fade as well. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon holding up quite strong during this COVID-19 epidemic. And you can see here, we are finding a little bit of resistance right here. So once again, guys, I'll draw this Fibonacci for you, and you can see here we are right in this area. So this is going to be most likely where we either consolidate or we roll back down. It makes a ton of sense to roll back down just before earnings, and then we'll see if we can hold this support level. We have held it up so far. But if we get a gap down below that level, that's going to be exciting. Let's take a look at the All Ords. Now the All Ords just really struggling here, guys. You can see every chance we get, we have a small little rest, bearish move, small little rest, bearish move, small little rest. I mean, this is another small little rest. Do I think we have another bearish move? Possibly. We were a little bit bullish today. You can see this on the 5-minute. Right at open, we came up, but then as soon as the afternoon session came in, a lot of people just started selling. Makes a ton of sense. Still a lot of fear in the markets, guys. But all in all, I do think we will get some sort of retracement on the All Ords. Let's take a look at APT. Now, APT up 25% today. Absolutely incredible. We are on a weekly chart back down to this support level. So it made a ton of sense to be buying at this particular price. So if you were a buyer, then well done. You most likely will be holding this one very long term. Because, I mean, if you did not buy on that dip back here, if you did not buy on this dip back here, well, you now have another chance to do so. So, I mean, from here, guys, Afterpay, it is a solid stock. Most likely will probably kind of chop around sideways and then slowly mosey on higher. That's just my overall thoughts on APT. Qantas is a small gap up 10.2% on the day. Obviously, they are getting absolutely crushed with this virus. A lot of people getting laid off, and a lot of flights getting cancelled, and etc. So most likely, I mean, it's not going to be a quick return. This is probably going to stay down here for about 3 to 6 months. This is on the weekly chart, so probably on the daily. Probably stay down here for at least 3 to 6 months, and then we'll slowly start to increase. But Qantas, definitely one you want to keep your eyes peeled on for a long-term investment, guys, in the future. And JB Hi-Fi actually isn't showing that much strength. We are back down at a nice support level. However, this could be a silent winner, guys. If you just take a look at the weekly chart, we're back at the 100 and 200 simple moving average. So, I mean, we've been here before, and we did consolidate for some time. But, I mean, even if we come up another, 50% from this particular move, that would be up to about, 50% from this move, around 36-ish, 36 and some change. So that would be an amazing move if we could get up there. I'll just draw this here, price range. So if we get up to around 36, it's going to be a nice 34% gain. So I do believe we will get up there eventually. It may take a little bit of time, but we'll definitely start to rise on JB Hi-Fi. Let's take a look at some crude oil and some commodities here. Finally getting in some bounce action from my levels here at 21.68 on the lows. And you can see on the daily chart, we did really have a nice bullish candle just yesterday. Almost caught that one as well. So very, very close. However, cute little gap down. Currently retesting. Probably going to come down about 32 to 50%. And then I'll look for a nice little trade higher on crude. Let's take a look at gold. Now gold is finally starting to get its bounce on. Where did they get their bounce on? At a previous support level. Makes a ton of sense, guys. So gold looks like we're probably going to start to consolidate here. Makes heaps and heaps of sense. And we'll have to kind of see if we can catch a nice little pattern, nice little move on this one. And last but not least, take a look at the Aussie dollar. Now, yesterday was an absolute bloodbath for the Aussie dollar, hitting an all-time low, well, not all-time low, but like an 18-year low of 55.06. It was absolutely incredible. You can see it was not down there for too long. It was back here. It was down here for about a few hours. But then we just kind of, everyone smartened up and then started to buy the Aussie dollar. And we did We did start to get some gains today, up 3% on the day. Wow, absolutely incredible. Hope you guys are making a ton of money on these stocks in this volatility. If you're not, definitely join our trading room, reallifetrading.com.au. Join the room. It's only 99 bucks a month. And it's an absolutely incredible community to be a part of. If I don't see you guys there, I'll see you guys next week for another real life stock review. And until then, have a great weekend and love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.